Good morning and welcome to today's pre-market session. Now in today's video we'll take a look at the Bank Nifty and what option buyers and option sellers can do. And now coming to the news, there's not much to discuss as right now when recording this video, the night before, the American market is pretty flat. This is as the only index which is slightly in the red for them is the Dow Jones, but that is more of a company specific issue as certain company earnings are coming out which are affecting the Dow. Now coming to our domestic front, I had said that it's a data heavy week globally and locally, but again more company specific news. The only slight positive I've seen is that the FII selling has reduced. This is as the past 22 consecutive sessions, not 22 sessions, but past 22 days continuously the FIIs have sold in the Indian markets and sold heavily. They have I think now reached 1.3 lakh crore or something like that. The number for October only. No, we're not even counting what they've done this whole year. So, yeah, but yesterday we saw basically the numbers come down. The FII selling was roughly 530 crore, I believe. So that is a big improvement from what we were seeing, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 a day getting sold. And I believe that's one of the reasons the market had a good day yesterday. So that's the only real news which is affecting the markets, and it will continue affecting as long as it goes on. Now coming to the Bank Nifty. Now the Bank Nifty I shared even on Twitter. Me and clients had a very good trading session yesterday. This is as I had said that if the Nifty is able to break above 24,350 where it was stuck in the earlier part of the day, then that will give a huge boost to the Bank Nifty and also the Nifty. And for that I had also given a target of 52,350 on the upside for BNF, the Bank Nifty. That was perfectly done. We broke 24,350 and the index literally, both of them rose. The Bank Nifty I think had 7-8 consecutive bullish candles, no bearishness, right to 52,333 it reached. So just 16 points shy of my target. So very good trading session, very easy trading session to catch the full up move. There was some broker issues yesterday, but overall a very good trading session on the bullish side. Now coming to today's trading session, in fact before we go into today's trading session, if you want to join me in my services and earn money from how I trade and use my indicators, then you can contact on the WhatsApp number given in the description below, which is 6361196118. There is a Diwali offer going on, so 10 to 20% depending on the service you take. And if you're interested, then do drop a WhatsApp to that number and someone will respond to you. Do not call it on or send a WhatsApp message. Only WhatsApp messages is what will go through. Only if a call is needed, that's when a call will be done. Now coming to the Bank Nifty expiry for today. Now according to me, the Bank Nifty right now is as I said, I've given two key levels yesterday. One of them was 52,350. Now it went there and it stopped there. Now apart from the 52,350 being a quant resistance, we also see it's the 200-day moving average is right above it in the hourly chart. So now according to me, on the upside for Bank Nifty, there are going to be two very key levels. First is all now 52,550 and then 53,020. Now 52,350 was a key level of yesterday, but market dynamics have changed. So 52,550 has come to new key level and 53,020 is the other key level out of all the resistance levels I've shared there. While on the support front, if we take a look at it, the key levels are 51,920 and 51,450. You can say. So now as long as we are basically utilizing those levels, things are going to go good. So what is my option trading plan specifically? Now my option buying plan is pretty simple. If you break 52,350, then it's a long to 52,550. That is a major resistance zone. And if we cross it, then 52,700, which is also another strong resistance. So you can say between 52,350 and 52,750, the Bank Nifty is now it is past the litmus test, initial one. And now this is the basically big daddy test, we can say. If it's able to cross 52,550 and 52,750, then it will have achieved a neutrality not in intraday but in positional. This is as as long as it is below 52,750, for example, in positional, it is still in the bearish grip. This says everything below that is still bearish for positional, but not intraday. So if we break 52,750, the dynamics are going to change of the index. So as I said, break 52,350, target 1, 52,550, then 52,750. If we clear that, then it's going to be quite smooth sailing, according to me, in positional trading after that. On the other hand, if we break 51,950, the Bank Nifty will have a rapid fall to 51,600 and 51,450. 51,450 is a very important support. This says if it breaks, we are still under the grip of the bears, but the stranglehold is slightly reduced from the market top we caught together in the videos. Now, if we go below 51,450, that stranglehold is going to come back and is going to again wreck the bulls in a big way. So that is how I am looking at the index as a whole. So my trading plan, I'm going to treat each level in option buying on a specific way. I'm not going to take it that, okay, if it clears this, then 100% has to reach, skip 2 levels and reach the next. Because right now where we are, it's something that has to be taken with a pinch of salt. You have to trade each level on the option buy side as it is. But on the option selling side, things are a bit different. On the option selling side for today, as long as it's above 51,950, I will sell puts below it if I'm aggressive, and calls above 52,550 if I'm aggressive. So now, how will I make my entry? That's the big question. Now, this time I will enter calls and puts together. But if I'm deploying 100 rupees, I will actually do 50-50 on both when I think about it now. And if I'm playing aggressive, as I said, I'll sell calls above 52,550 and puts below 51,950. On the other hand, if I'm playing cautious, I will sell calls above 52,750 and puts below 51,600. Now, how I'm looking at it, will I take cautious or aggressive? Now, I believe the most likely will be a mix of the both. That is why those option selling part is looking a bit more complicated. Why I say that is, I think I can be more aggressive on the call sell side and less aggressive on the put sell side. Why I'm saying that is, if we rise towards 52,550 and 52,750 primarily, any up move there will really get tested. So even by chance it manages to go to 53,020, the high likelihood it will form something like, if you look at today's trading pattern, Monday's trading pattern of the Bank Nifty towards the end of the day, it formed a sort of a box range at the top. So I expect the same thing to happen tomorrow if we go above 52,750. So that will allow options sells even above 52,750 and even partially above 52,550, let's say 52,600 and above, to maybe not expire 0, but expire, let's say, below 10 rupees, to single digits. So that will still give you a very handsome profit. So that's why I said I'll most likely be more aggressive on the call selling side. Yes, it is more bullish right now, but remember, it is harder to climb and easier to fall in the stock market. So due to that, more aggressive on the call sell side and less aggressive on the put sell side. I will keep a tight profit stop on both. This is as I expect dynamic movement in this range. Between basically 51,450 and 52,550, I expect a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So due to that, I will keep a profit stop that I keep adjusting, keep tightening, so as to secure my gains. Let's say if I've sold at 100 and it goes to 50, I'll be moving it to keeping the profit stop at 60. If it goes to 20, I'll move it to 30. If it goes below 10, I'll move it to 15, for example. But I'll keep moving the profit stop so as to ensure I walk away with my gains. Now, today's video on the Bank Nifty is a bit more haphazard because it is due to mainly the 52,750 resistance and 53,020 resistance. That haphazardness has come as it's reached a point, as I said on positional, it's trying to get out of the bearish hands. So that is going to cause a bit of noise. So due to that noise, you have to treat each level individually on option buy. And option sell, you have to take a bit of a calculated move rather than simply selling both aggressive side or both cautious side and like that. So if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I will answer them. Thank you.